Namaste friends. I am Advocate Dr. Ranjan Rajpur here today to communicate with all of you. I am making this video because since some of the last days I have gone through some WhatsApp messages that some of the advocates has done suicide. Some advocates are going through very much hardship. They are mentally shattered, they are emotionally shattered, some are financially shattered, some are physically also going through the COVID positive. And this is very tough time to all of us, all the advocate communities are facing the tough time. Don't think that you alone are facing the tough time. So it will be the extreme step if you are taking deciding to do the suicide. It will be the extreme step under the depression, and do not do these things. Already the bar council, bar associations have made enough arrangement to provide the groceries to the needy advocates, so far as I have came to know. And I am here to give you the more mental and emotional support from my side. My message I'm going to teach you today, my message for all of you, that trust the life and love yourself. Until and unless you love yourself, you never know what you are, what the capability in you have. The thing is that this phase will also pass. This is a temporary lockdown. This is not going to be a permanent. If you are facing any kind of problems, it is going to be passed. Keep in your mind and love yourself. Love helps you to grow beyond your past, beyond fears, and beyond your ego, and beyond all the small ideas. Love is what you are made of, and love yourself. I'm going to give you some 8 points. The one is, stop criticizing yourself. Do not criticize yourself. Forget everybody, but you do not criticize yourself. You may be thinking at this time that you are not capable enough to earn, or you are not able to help the family. Junior may be thinking that they are dependent on the family, on the parents, or they are senior may be thinking, some of the seniors, they are not able to give the proper nourishment for the children. But this time is going to pass. Only when you criticize yourself and say wrong about yourself, then nothing can happen. We all may be thinking such way, but this is going to pass. So support yourself, love yourself, do not criticize yourself. The another point is that don't scare yourself. Meaning that suppose you have a small things like there is a pain in your heart, or there is a pain in your throat. Do not scare yourself that you are going to die. It's no way. There may be because of some other reason. Do not go through any inferiority complex. If you're calling to some of the friends and that friends are not picking the calls, or they are ignoring you, it doesn't mean that you have to go through the inferiority complex. There may be the situation that your friend is busy in some other important work. So do not misunderstood them, and do not scare yourself with any ailments. And do not think that you are always taken for granted. Do not take yourself as granted. Maybe the person is really forgetting to really call back you, or maybe fallen in some other thing. So this, do not exaggerate the things, and do not scare yourself. Be gentle, kind to yourself. Or rather take a phone and call to the friends, very near dear ones, and send a message. There is a WhatsApp group. You can send a message on the groups and take the help from any of the friends. Planning the future, plan the educational future of your children. Encourage yourself, and be surrounded yourself with the people who encourage you, uplift you. Remove all the negativity, put all the affirmations to yourself. kind, gentle, loving, and be true to yourself. I'll add again that be true to yourself. It is no matter that if you're feeling jealous, if you're feeling frightened, if you're feeling fear or your anger, you don't have to fake yourself. Maybe for the outside society, sometime we may fake, but be true to yourself. You don't have to fake yourself all the time. That is the way to not loving yourself. When you're true to yourself, exactly know what is happening to yourself, then only you will be able to know. Okay, some more other important point I will tell you is to support yourself with the positive people. Be kind to your mind, to as of body wise also and as of mind. You may be thinking, and you are not having proper work at this time, you are not able to earn, or you are not able to focus or concentrate. It's not a kind to yourself. You need to be a really kind to yourself. Focus on the working on the affirmation, working on the things which mind creates a reality. So do not thinking the negative things. If you think that negative things, you may create that negative things. Your mind is like a pond. If you put some positive things in that, that will grow up. So things which pulling you down or back, just tell yourself that I'll manage and be kind to yourself. Okay, one more thing other is that take care of your body. Do some yoga or aerobics or gym, whatever you like. Go for a walk, evening walk you can go, or the morning walk you can also go. Do cycling or swimming, whatever possible for you. And one more other thing is that focus, praise yourself. If any other person is not praising, at least you praise yourself. If you are not good at the 5 things, but some other things you are capable of, you are good at, you may be thinking, I do so much things, I do lots of things, but nobody is appreciated. But don't wait for third person to appreciate you. Do not wait for some XYZ to come and appreciate you. Find the goodness in you and appreciate yourself, praise yourself. God never creates anything without the purpose. Appreciate yourself and love yourself. One more other important thing, another point I'm going to tell you, be loving to your negatives. If in the process of loving yourself, you suppose the people around you on the same path, support those people. There may be the critical people outside. Do not try to hate themselves. Accept all the negativity, accept all the positivity, support the people who are also on the same path, they are also feeling the same negativity. You try to support them also and try to uplift them. And those people who are criticizing, try to be little more away from those people. You don't be critical for those who are critical for yourself. You don't be critical for them. You can also have a support group. Make an affirmation for yourself and try to repeat those affirmation with the mirror work, or with the, nowadays everyone is having the mobile phone. So you can just have a selfies with you, or you can have a videos with yourself and put an affirmation on that videos, and every day you can repeat that videos that you are beautiful, you are peaceful, you are energetic. In such a way, the affirmation can be put to yourself and to come out of the negativity. To support and love yourself, that is very much important. This mirror work is very much important, and this will give you the positive affirmation to your mind, like a personal hypnotism you can do in this way, and maintain your strength of your mind and your heart, emotional strength. You can try to love your enemies also. Sometimes we are angry, sometimes we are not loving, sometimes we are feeling very frightened, or sometimes we are feeling resentment or feeling hurt. No matter whatever we feel, accept those feelings, be in that feeling, accept all the negatives, and with all the gray shades, try to love yourself. It is not like that you have to accept your good points and reject your negative points. You accept all your negative points as it is, you accept yourself and love yourself with all the gray shades of yourself. We might have hundreds of good points or hundreds of bad points. With all of those points, try to love yourself. The gray shades will be automatically dissolved. All of your parts, all of your good or bad points are going to be help you. It's not like that when we clean our if there is a puja in house, and it's not like that we are going to clean only the house. We are going to clean the washrooms, toilets, everything. So with all your bad and good points, rejoice in love and share that love to all of you. If the cup is full with the coffee, if I say the cup is having the coffee, and if I pour the more coffee in that coffee, what is going to pour outside? Only the coffee is going to pour. This way, if you are rejoicing in the joy, if you are rejoicing in the happiness, then only that happiness and rejoice will come out. You need to understand what is good for you. You need to be really observant about your body. Take a proper rest, proper enough sleep, enough food, proper food you take, and take up breathing exercises, the pranayam, which is much more important in these days. Yoga and aerobics for the body is really important. Give some muscular exercises to your body. Do not do these things out of fear. Because you love yourself, that's why you have to do the yoga and the aerobics, whatever you like. Sleep nicely, wear lovely clothes, and do some good makeup, whatever suits to you. All these things are the symbol that you are loving yourself. You are loving your body, and a symbol that you are taking care of your body. People will remain with you or not, but your body is going to remain with you, and that's until you die. This body is going to remain with you. So take care of proper care of your body and mind. Love yourself now. It's not that after the lockdown I'll try to love myself, or after this things will happen, my children will get a good grade, then only I will love them. It's not like that. Love in the present. Love just now. Love yourself now. Look at the mirror and say that I love you really to myself. Keep saying I love myself. I am willing to love myself. If you're not willing to love myself, then you're not good enough to appreciate yourself. This method of mirror work, the positive affirmation, the exercises, and stopping all the criticism for yourself, and to loving yourself, forgetting everything, and to support the friends who are also going through the same phases, and love yourself the way you are. Okay, so you can comment any problems if you are facing on this comment box. We will really find the solution. There is no such things that there cannot be any solutions. So believe me, you will see the changes within a month. This lockdown is going to over, and again the court are going to function. So believe me, trust the life, and love yourself. Thank you. It's very simple to love yourself. Do not wait for something to happen. When I get a good work, or when I get a good house, when I get a good car and a good relationship, or when I get a baby, or my child will get a good grade, do not wait for anything. Try to love yourself right now. There is no later. Okay? So best of luck, and do comment on the videos. Do comment your views, whatever you are facing through. and we are going to really find out any of the solution, whatever possible. We will surely find the solution. So, Jai Hind, Namaste for today.